Hello everybody! In this video we are going to explain you 3 ways to get from a basic into a sidestep promenade.
Let's dive into our first option, which is basically the basic slow bal into a sidestep promenade. We start with half a basic. We're referring to Dean Raftery's slow bal basic. We're going to do 1 to 4. So we have a 1, 2, 3 and 4. Make sure that you gather here. Now from this 4, we're going to take a side step. And then we're going to walk it out. There's 2 steps. And for now we slide it out. Alright. What's very important in this side step is how when we open.
So the opening up happens after the side
Movement.
Yeah.
So we have
a side
we're still together.
and step. So we open up in the step and not in the side.
Show again.
It's side, step.
And then we walk, and we slide it out and we reconnect there to go back to basic.
So it will be step, step, triple step, side, step, walk, walk, slide it out.
Watch one more time. The side step is not very big. We're trying to keep it underneath our body. So we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 and side step and 1, 2, slide it out. Let's dive into the second option, the one that we call the swooshy. I've also heard it called the flamingo.
The flamingo.
Timing wise, it looks like this: 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 7, 8. 1.
So in this swooshy movement, it feels like we are kicking our leg underneath ourselves with our other leg. So after the side step, it will be a side hop and step. So it looks like this. It's side hop.
Yeah, so you see that one leg basically replaces the other one, and it goes with some energy and swiftness in your action. So you really have to tone up there to make this work.
Yeah, and the opening up goes here a little bit faster, a little bit later maybe than in our regular side step promenade. So, but still it's first the side, later the opening up. So still side up.
But the final moment of the swoosh is where you change your direction and open up. So let's show it again from the sample. We have a 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 7, 8. This requires again core activation, balance, because you're swiftly motioning yourself on one leg and you want to be able to support yourself and stand still in this moment. If you do not have this activation, you will be wobbly, you need the support of your partner, and you will both crash to the floor.
You have to build up the tension in your body, in your core. So you start your side step quite relaxed and then you build up the tension because you want to make the difference transpond to your follow from relaxed to tense up and relax again in your walks.
Yes. Last tip when you do the swoosh or the flamingo is to keep your body straight all the time. Don't dive into the move. Sometimes you see this happening, so you can dive down, but you really want to stay straight.
Keep your proud posture.
So one more time, we have a step, step, a triple step, step hop, and step, step, slide it out.
it's a more subtle way of going to the side, gather, and go
And then
into your walk.
it's very elegant, but indeed it's small. So let's see what's happening.
It looks like this again, half basic side step.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So rather than with our first option where we actually have a side step, here we don't have that forward step. We just step to the side, then open up on the spot we step, and then you step in with your inner leg rather than your outer leg.
Yeah, so stepping on the spot here is the main difference. And it's actually stepping and also not kicking your leg underneath yourself, but a really gentle step.
Yes. Make it soft, make it fluent. So let's show that again. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. What I notice when we do it is because there's sort of a weight shift going on, going over our toes to step, is that there's a little upward, downward motion, a little bit of wave going on there. That's really nice. So let's show that one more time.
Angle.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Side, together, step, step. Slide it out.
So in this option there is a moment where our weight is sort of 50-50 on our both legs. So it's side, step, and this is a moment where our balance is sort of 50-50 on both feet. And then we change to the other foot.
These are your 3 options to go from half a basic into a promenade.
So have fun practicing these moves and hope to see you somewhere on the dance floor.